Is the blade on your Ninja Creami not spinning or getting stuck mid-cycle? Whether it's completely jammed or just skipping around, here's how to get it moving again. Step 1. Make sure the mixture isn't frozen too hard. Over-frozen or rock-solid mixtures can jam the blade. Let the pint sit at room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes before processing. Step 2. Recheck the assembly and locking mechanism. If the outer bowl, lid, or handle isn't fully locked, the motor won't engage. Twist the lid firmly and make sure the handle clicks fully down into place. Step 3. Inspect the blade paddle for stuck debris. Remove the blade from the lid and check for hardened mix around the axle or bearings. Clean it with warm water and a soft brush. Even small chunks can jam it. Step 4. Try a different preset mode. If your mixture is extremely dense, use respin instead of light ice cream or sorbet. Some modes are gentler on stuck blades. Step 5. Power reset the machine if it locks up mid-cycle. Unplug the unit for 60 seconds, plug it back in, and reassemble everything. This clears any motor faults or sensor pauses. Still stuck or not spinning at all? The motor gear, paddle, or lid might be damaged. Support link is in the description if you need parts or repairs. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and happy blending.